In this video, I am going to tell you how you can fix weird sound in your laptop. So this is my laptop and I am getting weird sound in my laptop. So first of all, you need to check the audio jack which is there. This you can see this audio jack here, and you need to see as any physical hardware or any output is showing here. You need to clean this audio jack properly, so make sure to clean it, and because it sometimes create a problem. After that, secondly, you need to check your keys. You can see there's sound keys. These are the one. This is a sound key. These are one, two, three. This is a mute one. This is to decrease the sound. This is to increase the sound. You need to press fn key. This is the fn key. You need to press it, and then you need to press the decrease sound, or you can press the mute sound from here, and it will reflect in your TV. So you need to do this. So make this is the second step. Third step, which you need to do, you need to go to the taskbar. Here you can see there is a sound option. Just go to the sound option here. Right click on this, and there is an option of sound. Just tap on this. A window will come up, and herein you need to click on this playback button. You can see this is the playback button. Just tap on this. Double click on the speaker, and you need to click on this label button. After journal, this is label, and you need to decrease this sound from here. That's it. And after that, you need to click on OK. That's it. And after that, the last step is you just need to see a hardware engineer if there is some hardware related issue, and make sure to restart your PC. If you still face any problem, you can comment below, and I will definitely give you a reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.